We are here at the Energy Expo in Miami, and we've seen many funny. We are here at the Energy Expo in Miami. We've been here for 2 days and we've met many well-known faces from other energy-related companies. We've seen some people doing crazy stuff. What did you see?
I see some solar-powered refrigerators, lots of PV power systems, and yeah, I think there was a special. So we met an old pioneer, and yeah, it was cool to talk to them again. Other smart software systems,
Yeah, and what I've been doing here was having nice conversation with people related to the field of solar power. We were standing here, had deep conversation about it. It was very nice to have people who are in this field, working in this field, and get to know them. I'm very curious where we will be next. I just know that we will be in Tampa. This is on the west coast of Florida. It will be on the Gulf of Mexico. Let's see what will happen there in Tampa.